Hello guys, how's it going? Nathan here, World Masters. Hope you're having a great day. I'm having an awesome day. Thanks for asking. Alright, well I got my good friend Roborock S4 Max. We've been best buds for about a month now, and we'll talk about the reasons why we're best friends and some reasons why we should part ways. Alright, so the first reason why we're best friends is this guy does the cleaning job without any issues. I tell him to clean the kitchen. He goes out, cleans the kitchen, and comes back without any backlash, back talk, anything. So, this scenario where I ask my wife to do the same thing, she will glare at me, basically tell me to go sleep outside for the night, and it's not a good scene. But, thankfully, the Roborock S4 Max is a devoted cleaner, no issues there. Also, with its excellent navigation, you're not going to have any issues with the Roborock vacuum getting stuck, or not being able to find its docking station. If you've been living under a rock for some time, you may realize that Roborock's definitely leading the pack in terms of navigation, and the Roborock S4 Max doesn't slouch on the navigation department. As you can see, it can effectively go around water bottles, different types of obstacles without touching them. Due to its advanced LiDAR navigation, it was able to pick up the objects and go around them without plowing through them like a bulldozer. So good job, Roborock S4 Max. That's a winner in my book. Okay, so the next thing I like about the Roborock S4 Max is its clean design. I find that Roborock tends to stick with its traditional design. Try not to think too outside the box too much because it could hinder itself like LG with that Core Zero R9, and also with Samsung's new PowerBot. That's kind of an odd design. Sits up so tall that it probably knocks over everything. But they stick with the traditional round design, slim profile, so it's able to get under furniture, go around chair legs, go over stuff without any issues. Okay, so the next thing I like about the Roborock S4 Max is its clean button layout. It's a two-button design. You got your home button over here, and you got your power button. Now, one thing you may not know is if you hold down the home button for about 3 seconds, it actually goes into a spot clean mode. So that's something that you may find on like the more expensive Roborocks. Okay, so here's some reasons why maybe we should part ways and this guy should find a new home. One thing is the mopping system. Yeah, it doesn't exist on this guy. Maybe I should be able to slap a mopping pad on this guy, but for now, there's no way to attach a mopping system. That's kind of a downside. Both the S4, the original one, and the S4 Max do not have an actual mopping system, so that's just something to consider. Also, one reason why we should part ways is the hybrid extractor bar. Now, if you have a lot of pets, just something to remember is it does collect a lot of hair. Let me show you this, guys. Look at all this hair, and this is only about a month's worth of work or of use, and I don't clean my extractor bars. I wanted to see how much hair it collected, and it definitely collects a lot of hair. I'm not a pet owner, but I do have a wife and a daughter that have long hair, so basically I blame them for the long hair. My hair is fairly short, so it possibly couldn't be me. But one nice thing is you can actually remove the ends here, just with a quick little twist. They pop off. And look at this, guys, you can just get all that hair off of them. Craziness. Well, if you don't want to get your hands dirty, or if you don't have someone to help clean your extractor bar, just a nice little handy tool right here. Nice cleaning tool, you can actually brush your hair, or if you want to use it as a cutting tool, you can actually cut the hair off the extractor bar. Makes cleaning really easy, just with a couple trims. There you go, look at all this hair falling off here. The next reason why we're best buds is the app features. I found that the Roborock S4 Max has a lot of the core features you found on the more higher-end Roborocks. That includes the 4 map memory. So this house actually has 2 levels, a main level and a basement. And I found that this Roborock vacuum is very smart. So once you got it all mapped out, all you have to do is just take it down to your basement and it will automatically update to the correct map. That's something that no other Roborock vacuum can do besides the Roborock models. So that's a really nice feature. I did try this on the iRobot series, but they tend to struggle a little bit with that feature. So the Roborocks are the best at the mapping and being able to switch between different maps. So if that's something you want to look for, consider like the Max series, like the S4 Max, the S5 Max, S6 Max. One thing to remember is Roborock is rolling out some additional mapping features to like the S4 and the original S5. Next reason why we're best pals is because of the mapping features. I found that the map is really easy to create. Also, I found that the features are abundant. There's a lot of great features. You can actually do room select, area select. You can also do keep out zones. And if you have a multi-level house like this one where it has a main level and a basement down below, I found that taking this roll back into the basement is super easy. all you have to do is just take this guy, toss it over there, and push the clean button, and this guy will be able to update its map in real time and automatically update the map via the app. No longer do you have to actually switch it via the user. Makes it super easy, and there's no way to really mess it up unless you somehow toss it to a different area it doesn't know. So another reason why we should part ways is some of the features are missing. So for the more expensive wall vacuums from Roborock lineups, they have sequencing. What that allows you to do is you can tell it to clean the kitchen, maybe the dining room, the bedroom in that order. So maybe you want to take a nap in the bedroom, have the roll-up vacuum start with the kitchen first, and once you're done with the nap, you can actually wake up and go to a different area while the roll-up vacuum makes its way into your bedroom area. Very nice feature. I really do appreciate the sequencing feature. Hopefully Roborock can roll that out with the S4 Max. Now another feature that's missing is the ability to change power levels or preset power levels when creating rooms. That's something that's found like the S6 MaxV. So for example, let's say you have the kitchen, the bedroom, you could actually have those predetermined power levels. Makes it a little bit easier, more hands-off experience. So another reason why we're best pals is the scheduling. I found that the scheduling feature is very robust. You can tell it to clean a certain room. You can also tell it to go out in a certain time of day and also the weekdays or weekends. So the scheduling app is very handy. Also, there's a lot of great features. Lets you know when to exchange extractor bars or the side brushes so you're not guessing. And I do recommend changing out these little guys, extractor bars and expendables, because over time it could cause damage to your vacuum and you won't have a little power anymore. You have to get a replacement, which can be quite costly. Go ahead and wrap up this video. So overall, I really like the S4 Max. While it's not the most powerful Roborock out there, the S6 MaxV is the most powerful in terms of spec wise at 2500 pascals, but 2000 pascals is fairly close. I found that the performance is very good. So if you're looking for a roll-up vacuum that has excellent navigation, the cleaning ability is also really good. There's a lot of great app features. Keep in mind there's no mopping feature. I think the Roborock S4 Max is a pretty good option. I don't think you go wrong with it. And I do appreciate the multi-map memory. That's something that you may want to look into if you have a multi-level house or if you want to do more than one map. Okay, so have a great rest of your day. I'll see you guys next time. And if you have any questions, feel free to shoot a comment down below. I'll be more than happy to answer those questions. Alright, catch you later.